Why do 1 in 4 gardeners think snails are pests? Because these slow movers can still demolish your lettuce overnight. But there's more to snails than salad sabotage. Snails aren't just slow, they're masters of survival. They carry tiny shells as mobile homes. They sense light with simple eyes, they taste with their feet. Some species hibernate or estivate for years when food or water vanishes. Cute, slimy, unexpectedly resilient. Snails remind us slow can be smart. Next time you spot one, tip your hat, or at least don't squash the comeback artist.